Hello, in front of me I've got Volkswagen Passat. In this video I'll show you how to pair smartphone with car via Bluetooth. In the beginning, take a look at the screen display, go to menu, and next go to settings. Now enter Bluetooth, find devices, and now on your smartphone enter Bluetooth settings. Select your smartphone from the list. And select hands-free telephone or Bluetooth audio. Confirm pairing on both smartphone and screen. And it's done. If you find this video helpful, please leave like, comment and subscribe.